Ang ating pagdiriwang ngayong umagang ito ay dedicated sa ating pagpapasalamat sa Diyos para sa biyaya ng buhay. Dahil ang Diyos ang tumama sa ating minamahal na ginang Fortune sa kanyang buhay. Ang Diyos ang nagbibigay sa atin ng pag-asa, ang Diyos ang nagbibigay sa atin ng kaligayahan. Kaya this day is a day of thanksgiving for a birthday. But bukod doon, this day is also a day of thanksgiving for the faithfulness of God.
This is the 70th birthday celebration of Tita Fortune Hernandez. And as we welcome her, we celebrate her 70 years of love, humility, unwavering dedication of this woman. A woman whose quiet strength, kindness, and deep love have shaped her family. Her story is one many of us have grown up with. To her siblings, she is the dependable and caring Ateng. To her nieces and nephews, the warm and thoughtful Auntie Fort. And to her Suki, the hardworking and trusted Aling Fortune.
But to us, her family, she is simply Nanay, the heart of our home. Nanay's love is found in the simple, everyday moments. She lives with humility, works tirelessly, and gives wholeheartedly. Her faith in God is the foundation of her life. It is her anchor and her strength. We live and grateful to the beautiful example she has passed on to us. Please join me in welcoming the ever lovely, the ever wonderful, my Nanay Fortune Hernandez.
Happy milestone birthday, Ateng. This diamond watch is a symbol of the precious time you've given to our family and the brilliance you bring into our lives. May every moment ahead be filled with love, good health, and joy.
To our nanay, happy 70th birthday. Thank you for being the heart of our family. Everything we are is because of you. We are so blessed to celebrate 70 beautiful years of you. We love you always.
Nanay, happy 70th birthday. Tulad ng ina ng laging saklolo, ikaw ang unang nagturo sa amin kung paano magdasal, magtiwala sa Diyos, kumapit sa pananampalataya sa gitna ng takot at pagsubok. Ikaw ang unang nag-akay sa amin sa simbahan at ang unang nagpapaalala na hindi kami nag-iisa, na laging may Diyos na sa saklolo. Nagpapasalamat kami hindi lamang sa buhay mo, kundi sa pananampalatayang tinanim mo sa aming mga kapatid, sa aming mga puso, isang regalo ang mananatili magpakailanman. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Nanay. Salamat sa aming gabay, sa pananampalataya at aming laging saklolo dito sa lupa. I love you, Nay.